Yeah? Who's down there? Hello? Who is that?
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh, thank you. Thanks, buddy.
Happy! Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't know you really hated him that much. Happy! Okay.
Leora, sit. High five. Oh, I got the smartest cat in the world. Have a treat, there's your treat, baby. Enjoy that treat, baby.
I have to help him! Max, come here!
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Hey, Lulu. No, do it again. You're just doing it.
Whoa, your voice is so low.
Hey? What the fuck? DJ. Yeah, the cuts.
TJ?
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
So I have this cat that has a really cute meow. Sophie. Then I have this cat who sounds like she smokes for 30 years. Brina.
I was busy thinking about
Food, sleep, Chipotle.
What do you want? What? Where do you want me to go? Oh, of course.
All right, Milo, we have the alphabet here, so go ahead and spell whatever you want. All right, for our first letter, we have U. Next letter is F. And we have an A. It's a T. All right, let's put this together. You fat Milo.
This is a trap. This is your, I want you to rub my belly, but it also may be a trap. I'm thinking it's a trap. Is it a trap? It's a trap.
What are you doing? Okay. What? What?
Guys, I don't know what's wrong with my cat. Why does he look like that? What is wrong?
meow 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 meow.
什么？这是什么嘛？
Huh?